Okay, so if ChatGPT is not available in your country, this is how you actually fix this problem. First, you need to get a VPN to change the location where you're accessing this from. And second, and this is very important, you need to get a virtual number that you will use to sign up to ChatGPT. So a virtual number is a number that you can use to send and receive SMS. Okay, so when you're going to be signing up to ChatGPT, it's going to ask you to enter a phone number, which you can then going to receive a text and you can then use to sign up. Now, obviously, if ChatGPT is not available in your country, you won't be able to actually use your phone number in your extension. Okay, so if you're going to use my link down in the description to sign up to hushed.com, which is the website that you can get a virtual number, you're going to save 84% and you can get it for as little as $25 for a lifetime phone number. And second, you will need to get NordVPN. Okay. Also, if you use my link down in the description, you're going to get 3 months with 63% off. So get NordVPN. Change your location to the United States. Second, get a hush number and get a US number, and then you'll be able to use ChatGPT from your country. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.